Hey guys, I wanted to do a follow-up from my video that I did after our vet visit. So I had taken in a couple of the birds to have their nails trimmed, and when they do that, they do an initial visit and they check some things. So they check the bird's weight, they did a stool sample to make sure that their nutrition and vitamins and everything was good and they didn't find any problems. So that was all good. The only thing that the vet recommended was to feed pellets more than seeds. Now, I've been told this, I guess, but I figured, just on my own research, I figured that the vegetable chop and everything that I was giving them was sufficient, and then the seeds were what I had in the food dishes on a normal basis. So this one right here is from Supreme. I'll try to get it without a glare there. Oh, and look at pretty Sydney up there. I love my birds. So Supreme, and it's pellets. I give them the fruit blend. They love it. But it's lower fat than seeds. I guess I should have known that. But one of my birds was overweight, so I really took this advice seriously from my vet, and I'm giving them more of a 70-30%, so 70% the pellets and 30% seeds. I gave them a treat today, and they were loving that, so I give them treats of millet, and I make my own seed blend. So the Supreme, I give them, and I just give them free access to that at all times. The vet said it's fine to keep that in their dishes all the time, and then give them seeds sparingly. So what I do is I fill their dishes with the pellets that they get to just eat throughout the day, every day whenever they need it. And then one day a week, I put seeds in the dishes and they eat through those. And then every once in a while, they get the millet spray, and of course they love that. So my birds have now been on this new diet for over a month. They're all looking a lot slimmer. It's pretty cool. I've never done this before with the primarily pellets, so it's been really fun to watch them. They love the pellets. I know some birds don't like the pellets, and you have to kind of end up convincing them or giving them nothing else and forcing them to eat it, kind of. My birds love the pellets, so it wasn't a problem. I just put it in the dishes and they went for it. So that was really lucky, but it's been so fun watching them get healthier in a short amount of time. They're losing weight, they're more active, and they love the nutrition. So I encourage you all not only to get proper visits to the vet, because it's good for them to check up on you, but they also give really good advice to make sure that your babies are properly cared for. So that's my update, and I hope you all are having a great time. Enjoy your pets.